This is probably like my 30th time taking these carbs off. For now, I'm just gonna run it. Get the tools.
Who's in here, Dad?
Okay. Yeah.
What's this?
The bolt.
Let me put on it.
Hmm?
Let me put on it.
Wherever you want.
What's the key?
It's a key, yep. You want me to fix something?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fix this clutch.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta fix it. Fix it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fix it.
This side?
Yeah, there you go. Fixed?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, fix it up.
What's this for?
That's the engine. Put it on here. Right here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's where that goes, see?
How heavy you?
There.
Use it.
Okay, I'll use it in a minute. I just gotta get this chain on here.
It's not too big.
No, that's not too big. Your finger almost got stuck in it. You wanna fix that one?
Yeah. Isn't that too?
Yep.
Two.
We got the new clutch on, chain, just WD-40 on the back sprocket, and then we'll put in the bolt and we're almost done.
Daddy.
Hmm? Thank you.
This is
Want me to throw it?
yes.
Go get it. This up too. A washer.
What?
Right here. You want to get something? What do you want to get? Here. Nobody uses 14 anyway. Here, ready? You going up the big hill? You're on the big hill? Okay. This is to protect your feet.
My feet.
Yeah.
Protect my feet.
Protect your feet. To hide. There, not using that anymore. You can come back. Where's the hood? Hello! It's a Yamaha. It's a Yamaha. Yeah, it's a Yamaha. There. Now we gotta put this one on that you're standing on. Excuse me. I probably need that one, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that'll work. Thanks. Oh, perfect. Thank you. There. Look, nothing happens. Look, touch everything. See? Nothing. What do you say, cheap?
So.
Well, she don't really like this thing yet. Day one of her wanting nothing to do with it. But watch how fast she gets up when I start this one. You coming? That was a good little ride. I gotta close the garage door. So I had put a wanted ad up probably 2 weeks ago for a carburetor for one of my snowmobiles, 2 of them actually. And I didn't get a reply until about an hour and a half ago. The guy says, oh, what do you need? I probably got him. So he had a Skidoo similar year and size and sent me pictures. They're the same Carbs, I think. He lives about an hour and a half away. But he's like, oh yeah, I'm coming to town here in about 20 minutes. So I said, okay, throw them in, bring them with you. So 2 Carbs delivered with another little part that I need for the snowmobile. Can't go wrong, as long as they're the right ones and they fit. And I'm just tired of screwing around with those ones that I have. Like, they're still not running the way they should be, so I'll replace them with 2 different ones and hope they're better. We're about to find out. And it's one of those things, like I've mentioned it before, you just gotta ask. Like, you gotta put the wanted ad out there saying, looking for this. And somebody has it, usually. Even me, for example. Like, I got a sea container full of junk. None of it's listed for sale right now, but a lot of it, if somebody said, I'm looking for this, I'd say, yeah, I got one. Like, it's just a matter of finding it, I guess. But everybody's addicted to Marketplace and their phone, so just put wanted ads up and usually you'll get what you want. Alright, we're at the meeting place. For a white van. Alright, got the stuff. Got the carbs, got that little piece of mesh that I'm missing. It's yellow, I'll have to paint it black or whatever, but yeah, nice enough person. Not a good guy for me to meet though, because he starts listing off all the other stuff he has. I'm like, oh my. I was trying not to say anything to him, like that I like buying junk, and I kept trying not to say it, but then I was like, once spring comes around, maybe I'll give you a ring and come out and see what you got. So that's how it happens. More junk. And he was hinting at me buying the whole machine. He's like, well, it's sitting there in the snow, and you know, I don't really want to fix it, and blah blah blah. And I was so tempted to say, yeah, what's your address? On the next warm day, I'm on my way with a trailer. Yeah, it's not something I need. It's just more junk to trip over all year and probably not use it. Like last year, I bought a parts machine. It was a 500, I think. Formula, blah, blah, blah. No motor, but like the rest of the snowmobile was perfect. That thing just sat there all summer, never needed a nut or bolt off of it, so I ended up selling it and like quadrupling my money, so that worked out. Sometimes you can do something like that. And some people you gotta be careful with when you're buying stuff. Like, I bought the carbs off them. Don't specifically say, and the cables, and the this, and the that. You know, somebody will get a pair of side cutters and just cut the cables and give you the carb. But this guy wasn't like that. Look at this. Undid the cable properly. That's what you want. He could have cut them, but he didn't. So these are the 2 carbs I got from Buddy there that met me the other day. They are the same size carb. They're 40mm carbs off a Skidoo. But the one part I need, the needle jet, isn't the same. So this is one that I ordered off eBay, and it's the proper number. These are basically goods for parts. Like the core of this carb, or these carbs are good, but other than that, they're not usable for the reason that I bought them, but everything else is worth getting them. I only have the one needle jet that I ordered off eBay right now. I did order 2 more actually, but the one carb it was giving me the problem, I hope. So I'm going to replace it with that and see what happens. It does not sound very pretty outside right now. It's not. It's raining. It'll snow ain't gonna like that. The condition of the ones I bought that were so this is the one, this is one of the ones I got off Buddy. This is the one I've been running. So look how clean this one is. And look how, it's clean, but not as clean. I don't think you're gonna be able to tell, but if you can look down the end of that, no, you're not gonna be able to see. It's all beat up. Somebody put a screwdriver in there and tried to like pound this out the wrong way. And then this one is obviously brand new, so it's perfect. So like I said, I think it's just this one that's giving me the problem, but I'm already here. No, you know what? I'll just throw it back on. I don't have a jet to replace it with anyway, so I'll throw this on and see if it works. I really hope this works. If it doesn't, I mean, be a next year problem again. This is a problem that carried over from last year to this year, and I'll throw it to next year too, because I'm about done with it. And you know, it's always a silly thing. It's like, yes, stuff does just wear out and break, but 9 times out of 10 with any of this stuff, it's like, it's because somebody did something wrong. Like, you know, wrong spark plug gap, wrong spark plug, didn't install this cable properly, or they tried to get a jet out the wrong way and broke it or something. Usually it's not just, you know, a magical problem that just come out of nowhere. Usually. But even still, it's still hard to find sometimes. Like, that took me, I don't know, a long time. This is probably like my 30th time taking these carbs off. No joke. Gonna sync the carbs up here. It's important, apparently. You just want the carbs opening and closing at exactly the same time. Okay. Hey. Oh, gas! That won't get stuck like this. Say go, Mom, go!
Let's go!
There you go. It's hard to turn unless you're moving, so you almost have to go a little bit. There you go. Seems to be pretty good. You can tell just from like when I'm stopped, the problem was always that initial just pulling away. It felt like it was just choking on itself with way too much fuel. Now you can put it from idle right to the bar and it'll just take off. So that's the way the other one is now, and that's the way this one is and has never been. So I'll say that it's fixed. I'm thinking the needle jet in the other carb that I haven't replaced, I think it's better, but I still think it has a bit of an issue too. But the main problem was the one that I just replaced, and it's fixed. So when I get the other jets in, I will replace the other one, but for now, I'm just gonna run it. All right, another video. Finally fixed this problem. The little girl there, yeah, she's not a huge fan of her sled yet, but she will be. Probably a next year thing, but at least she sees it, can sit on it and be around it, get comfortable. She's got no problem getting on that enticer, so it's nothing to do with the smell of it or the sound. It's just something new. She'll get there. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Later.